Hi, I am Engineer Melchor F. Pilones, a professor of C151 here in Intramuros, Manila. C151 is all about understanding the basics of building construction, considering every part's its functions and techniques on how to do it from footing all the way to roofing up to the smallest detail in finishing. I hope you will like this video. Thank you very much.
How to make the footing. These are the materials for the footing. Step 1. Measure the scaled footing. Step 2. Cut the measured footing. Using pliers or big scissors are recommended to cut the popsicle sticks to avoid the breaking of the popsicle sticks into halves. Step 3. Connect the cut popsicle sticks by using super glue. Step 4. Now connect the post to its footing. After making the footing, you may now place it in between the styro and the special board. Cover it with plastic cover. Note, the number of footing depends on the number of the columns on the house. How our flooring is made. Materials used: scissors, popsicle sticks, and glue. Step 1. Create a rectangular shape using popsicle sticks with dimensions 11.6 by 4.5 meter in a scale of 1:50. Step 2. Divide 11.6 by 5 and you will get 2.32 meters. In every 2.32 meters, in a scale of 1:50, put a popsicle measuring 4.1 meters, scale 1:50, to be installed in the foundation of the flooring. Step 3. Put a 2.02 popsicle stick, scale 1:50, between the floor foundation and the blocking. That will serve as the floor joist of the model. How our roofing is made. Materials needed: barbecue sticks, cutter, wire cutter, super glue, measuring equipment. Step 1. Before starting to build the roof, we need to consider first the measurement of the 2 points of the diagonal of our model. Step 2. Making the trusses. In making the trusses, we need some barbecue stick to represent our wood for our roof. We start by making the bottom cord of the trusses, and then we attach the king post. After making and attaching the bottom cord of the king post, we can now attach our top cord and cutting a portion of the bottom cord approximately 26 degrees in angle. In attaching the webs, we need to draw some lines in our remaining sticks that will be cut and fit according to the slope of the top cord. And then we will attach it. And the trusses must look like this. Step 3. Making the rafters. By making the rafters, it is important to know the angles and slope of what the rafters will be. In a roof, we have 2 rafters in every quarter of the roof. In attaching them, it will look like this. Step 4. Making the purlins. In making the purlins, you have to cut sticks in increasing order according to length, and then glue single one of them from top to bottom. How to make the actual model house using Sintra board. First, draw the parts of the house with its proper measurements. Don't forget to add or subtract measurements when the connection between parts take place. Step 2. Cut the measured parts using a cutter. Cutter is the best equipment to do the job. It leaves the side of the Sintra board smooth. Step 3. Prepare the parts to be connected. Make sure that each and every part of the model fits with one another. If not, make necessary adjustments. Step 4. Using a super glue, connect the parts with one another. This step is optional. You may use clay to hide parts, especially those who are improperly cut, and also those parts that have holes. This part is also optional. Since the Sintra board we use is white, you may paint it with your desired color. The use of spray paint is recommended.